everyone, this is Eileen here from SingaporeOlevelMaths.com. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you a topic known as factor theorem. It's found in O-level additional math syllabus. So let's take a look at the question. You're given that fx is equals to 6x cubed minus 11x squared minus 4x plus 4. Question: is x minus 2 a factor of fx? Now, if you do not know about factor theorem, what we can do is, we can actually take this cubic expression here, divide by our x minus 2, and we find out what we end up with. If you end up with a 0, it shows that yes, x minus 2 is indeed a factor of fx. It's the same thing if I were to ask you, is 2 a factor of 8? Very quickly, I'm sure within a second you can tell me, yes, 2 is a factor of 8. Okay, you either remember your times table really well, or you can go ahead and do a quick division and you realize that there's no remainder, therefore 2 is a factor. It's the same logic itself. However, if we were to do the long division, it is way too time consuming. So today in this video, I introduce to you what factor theorem is all about. Factor theorem states that x plus a is a linear factor of fx if and only if, when you substitute x to be negative a into your function fx, you end up with a 0. So this is the summary of what factor theorem is all about. We're going to see how we apply to this question. Now, so first thing first, we need to decide what value of x do we substitute into our fx. So what you do, you take x minus 2 equals to 0, so that you can find out the value of x, which is 2. And then we're going to do the substitution. So I'm going to replace my x with 2. I'm going to press my calculator and realize that we end up with a 0. So what does having a 0 means? It means x minus 2 is a factor of fx. So I hope through this simple question you have a better understanding of what factor theorem is all about. It's really a simple to use theorem. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll be discussing remainder theorem.